and we have been correcting it for years and years. Nga pag human na sige na po ka-cancel ang klase na to due to many factors ba. So really di mi ka pinpoint what has led to our students mga maingana, but that's the generation now and we have to deal with it. So pwedeng naa sila factor sa balay kay example mga mama kay kanang maupoy lahang naandan, o sa example sa mga bukid kay sus di magsapatos kay manglabang usapa yan na. You get me? So kanang depende gyud siya, pwede pod financial struggles nila, no, kay kanang dili sila kanang frugal kay sila kay tungod ani, dili sila mo participate ani kay tungod ana. So depende jud siya sa background sa bata. So the character of the child depends on his or her background. Kay depende jud og unsa sila pagpadako sa ilaha, unsa kinsa ilang kuyog sa balay, unsay financial status nila. So depende. So di gyud ta kaingon nga mo ni ra siya ang rason nganong ingana ang bata. Oh.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, one last follow-up question po, ma'am. So, given all those challenges, ma'am, so how does your school address or respond to these challenges?
Kay daghan mo kay kog insulting challenges, lagi kang ugma pataani. Bitaw kuan na kaayo ang ako ara gyud no, simple ra jud kayo ako ang principal man or principal sa among school nga kanang kung naay challenge taaw na to unsa may root cause ana nya, depending on the root cause we address the problem ana yun. So sample katong butanta ang mama cannot support already the child, no, mo na ang bata kay kanang dili sa ganahan eskwela or kanang badlungon siya sa eskwelahan ingana kay kanang wala na siya support ta or kanang iya magpapa kay kanang sa gana dili kahatag sa ilaha og kwarta. So kanang as teachers kay man gani we are public servants, no, kanang we always give, no, what we can. That's really our role and that's the nature of our profession, no, nga kanang sabi ato matabang ani nga bata. So really ang among first na ako as an individual and as a leader, the first move is to really talk with the parents. What is happening? Unsa may what can you help with the child? We are a community man, di man na pwede nga kanang kamera, no? And if dili gani na matabang sa parents, where can we step in? Ngutan na jud ta, we have to be kanang kuan ba, to be honest sa kanang mga parents nga unsa man if this is the problem, yeah, di na mo ka-provide, where can we step in? What do you want us to do? And then mangit it's different. So different challenges gid no kay lain-lain gid siya nga approach, but mo gid na siya basic step talk with the parent regarding the child, ikahuman whatever is kanang whatever inyo masabutan kay ask yourselves where can you step in as an educator. Kumanan na can you community help. Ayan na rin siya. Kung siya basic na more recipe ba. But different problems, there's different ways to approach it. But those are basic steps how you can resolve a specific problem regarding sa school community. Ana rin gina siya. Kanang makiktabi ka sa ginikanan. Kung usara ka child, bisa ganig daghan, makiktabi jud gyapon ka sa ginikanan. Ana ra.
Okay. So, those are very valuable insights, ma'am. So, thank you so much for sharing your experiences and perspectives. So, that concludes for my questions po, ma'am. So, we truly appreciate your time and meaningful responses. Have a great day, ma'am. So, I will pass you to the next interviewer, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Nasilia. And thank you again for sharing your time with us. I am Althea Sihakalan. And for now, ma'am, I'd like to move on to ask you questions about school partnerships. You
Mm-hmm.
mentioned earlier, ma'am, about partnerships with parents and the wider community outside school. My first question is, how does your school establish and strengthen these partnerships? And could you share some examples of successful collaborations